Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in Oregon. And this whole process is literally about five to 10 minutes at very most. I'm going to give you like a walkthrough tutorial on my screen at the same time you do it on yours. That way by the end of this video, you'll have your LLC filed. So click the link in the description below. That way we can just jump right into it. So click that link and let's get started. So this is going to take you to Taylor Brand's website, and we can click Oregon. Now you can type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC in your state. Now you can just click what stage you're currently in and type in the industry you fall into. They have tons of options, so you will more than likely find a category that you fall into. And then you're going to click if you're selling a good or a service or both. Now, as far as hiring employees, if you change your mind later on after you file your LLC, it's completely fine. It won't affect your filing at all. So just click what applies to you right now. And you're going to type in the zip code either of your business, like a storefront location. And if you don't have that, you can use your home zip code as well. And are you selling online, at a shop or store, or on the go? Click all that apply. And you guys, today click LLC, and I also want you to click EIN. Your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So I highly recommend getting it all in one spot. I mean, for me, it's just easier. And Taylor Brands is cool because you can get like a logo made or a license or a website. Pretty much anything you need for your business is right here. This is a survey we could skip, and you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. You guys, Taylor Brands has this free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. It's free. If I can learn something that helps me make more money, amazing, right? So if you want to take it, go for it. If you don't, that's up to you. And now we're just going to enter your personal information. Okay, again, they're asking you, do you want Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, you can. It's through the IRS website. With the website, you can only do it Monday through Friday. And in my opinion, government websites are pretty outdated and difficult to navigate. For only $99, Taylor Brands will just do it for me. It's one less thing I have to worry about. Take that right off the to-do list. So I feel like it's completely worth it for the $99. And a registered agent, so don't get thrown by this term. A registered agent is essentially a fancy word for who's going to receive the mail about your business LLC. So if you live in Oregon and you're opening your LLC in Oregon, you can be your own registered agent. Now, if you live in a different state and you're opening one in Oregon, this could be for like tax benefits, things like that. Then you need to appoint someone that has an address in Oregon. But most of you guys watching this video will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, they'll warn you a few times, and then you'll be charged a bunch of late fees and fines. And of course, we don't want to pay those, right? So if you can remember to do it on your own, that's great. You could save a little bit of money. But again, if you forget to do it, you're going to be charged a lot of money. If you think you might forget and you have a lot going on, Taylor Brands can do it for you automatically for $199 a year. So definitely a good option to have. We're going to skip on the branding toolkit. And for $49, we can get our LLC in just 2 days from now. You don't need an operating agreement, so let's skip this. And I do not want the toolkit. I'm going to skip. And you guys definitely recommend checking this out. Taylor Brands offers a service where they're going to get you extremely organized with all of your finances, your bookkeeping, your invoices, all the stuff that's making you money in your business. So if you're serious about growing your business, or maybe you already are growing your business really fast, definitely recommend trying out a free trial, see if you like it, and they'll give you some price plans at the end. Or if you're just not there yet in your business, that's okay. You can just manage your own books and invoices. And And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, no need to pay anything extra today. Let's just click this light plan here. So here is our breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the mandated state filing fee for Oregon is $105 for the LLC. We're getting that free coaching program, and we're paying for the 2-day filing for our grand total today. After your LLC is filed, then they will create your EIN number. So it comes through as 2 different charges. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come through. Now, after you pay, they're going to ask you what address you want to use. Like I mentioned, I'm mobile. I don't have a storefront. So I've always used my home address for LLCs, and I've never gotten junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. It's literally just for them to have on file if they need you or need to contact you about your LLC. So definitely recommend using your home address if you don't have a storefront. If you do have a storefront, that's great. You can use that address as well. Just make sure it's always the address that's in Oregon. But you guys, you can see that's it. I have nothing else to say. This was so fast and easy, and I hope I explained everything to you. But if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below. I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I will see you in the next one.